Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to apply for government support money during school closure in Alberta. We will learn who is eligible for these benefits and how to fill online form. First, we need to open our browser and here we need to write down parent support during school closure. Click here. And here you can see first link Government of Alberta parent supports during school closure, and I already provide that link in my description box. If you want, you can directly open through that link. So now we need to click here and now we need to scroll down and here you can see register for payment. If you have already alberta.ca account, then you can directly click on register for payment. If you do not have a alberta.ca account, then you can watch my previous video how to apply alberta.ca account. It is a simple and easy. Then you can watch my video and you can create your account. And first we need for alberta.ca account. After that we can register for payment. I have already alberta.ca account, so I will click only register for payment, parent payment support, and here you can see questions and check eligibility. Now we need to check eligibility. We are eligible for apply or not. First question, are you a parent, legal guardian, child and family service? We need to click on yes. Does the child you are applying for have a FSCD agreement? We need to click on yes. And do you have a valid Alberta driving license? I have, so I will click on yes. Do you have a valid alberta.ca account? Yes. Here you can see message, you can apply for parent payment program. So now we need to click on apply now and get ready to apply. Now we need to scroll down and here you can see enter your child detail and we need to fill these questions. And now we need to again click on start application. We need to click here and parent payment program, check your information before you start. Mailing address, here you can see your mailing address like your home address where you receive regular mails. Here we need to click in this checkbox, my mailing address is correct. Email and phone number, here you can see your email ID and phone number. And now we need to click in this checkbox and again we need to click in this checkbox and now we need to click on next. Your detail, your identification, and here you can check your own information because we are applying these benefits behalf of parents. And here you can check your like a name, your card, date of birth, mailing. And now we need to click in this checkbox. And now we need to click on next. Parent payment program, enter child details, and now we need to enter our child detail. I already apply for my child, but I will show you step by step. Here we need to enter child given name and here last name, and here we need to enter date of birth. Family sports for children with disability. If you have this anything about disability, then you can fill here. Otherwise this is optional. We do not need to fill here anything. Children and family service, CFS children ID number. If you have, then you can fill. Otherwise we do not need fill anything in both sections. You can leave as it. Don't worry about these sections. These are not mandatory, these are optional. Now we need to select school, like I select this school and Alberta student number. I will show you where from you can check. First you need to open your child school zone and here you can see ASN number for your child, and here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This number is 9 digit and ASN number, and otherwise you can check from your child progress report like in this section like specialized report, and from here you can check. If you do not want check from the here, then you can just only, otherwise you can check here. You open school zone, that time you can see ASN number, and after that we need to select grade for your child, and if you want add more child, then you need to click on add. Otherwise we need to click on next. and click next and again next. When you submit your application, after that you will receive application reference number, and this reference number is you can write down on your copy, and otherwise you can click picture on your phone. In this way you can apply for parent support during school closure. And if you want to watch more videos related to forms, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.